after this season, one Robert was Kotoko.
Oh yeah. And you could like it dependent and it be at the best. It be a free now.
Emmanuel Lentry.
It be a free now. So
me kai time awoba the real management. We need a soul.
Yeah, he's not a bad player. And he's not a bad player. Just that consistency near Juma or the ball or bodo. On the Kotoko has and the difference in the say. So what Chelsea everything about be a 30 matches season when you're 15. Okay. Now 15 where Diego will be any answer. But Kotoko has and Udigu me no to us our next match or make us in fountain bench. But Chelsea the Abia Abia Bichim Udigu play bit me Digu be three matches once in so but still near see on Fanembo. But Kotoko has no those who team Bianca obe ba ko those who be ba ko pim se befa ba this pressure kuku to den na Kwame Poku last season abetamu pro be born clean crown one match per of free injury by went to me on supporters huru. That is the standard. The entry is never a bad player, but there are some players below. I don't want to say entry is part of that. You need to prove some of us wrong, but there are some players below some low club mentality. As a small club mentality, your players who are sign on born. As on born.
I want to be from Bokotoko.
I'm to entry
apart from entry.
You need to prove some of us wrong from now till the end of the season.
But no, so when games were born, Obama was an Abamu.
Until I make us say, oh, team Kessia, I am Abamu. Oh, boss, you are just waiting for the opportunity, no matter what is happening. You should be psychologically ready. You are waiting for the opportunity. Now, say Kotoko work here, the Adabo Kotana bench. Next match, so by us, Abba boy. And you have a crown or Kotana bench by and crown Obuni. So, what's the idea? After work game, nothing was I said, was Obayano. He had an excellent game over Kaiser Chiefs. And your man is slow to be Ragaka top 4, Numa. And they call African, I still not near convincing. And the man coach Boss Samba. Our turn or Obaya, yes, in Penny Fawcett, the technical team felt that Asai at that time was better than him. Bank our club beer, Dan Lad Nibendasa, but Asai and die. Asai no soon, it drew a second Camaranda. If Aziz has taken advantage of this chance, Ebianca, Kamara buying, Kibia, Kamara Beko bench. And Yana has Alaba, Asari, Echo Blasters, Agbeshiko die, Ediesi. Some of the season,
Sagbesi,
big team there, position for 2-3 matches. And of course, I do Kwajuko Tranche. Could you send a chance by no? It's a still position, no? And you prayer. And until I am pay you with your wasm or starting from end as starting level, no movie. But
or potential. But I said, when to the light type of bobby and also boy, must have born or as I go to go. I want to buy a name of ton of hot. I'm one to do maybe a black lane off and I just look at your resume. That wasn't a starter. Because your set wasn't a starter. Or starting off your obviously on your feet.
I say, Uti. Every I got to go on best place on best secret justify. And I will answer true that and if you are cockety.
That tell you said,
I was said there as a century so very human poem with the Kotoko dear. Until say, if you are muy bar, no, I buy your margin somebody place in the bar, but ultimately,
we are always a watcher. We are happy to tell you so and so are training with us. Even a hand as a cotton, a spin cock here, just or joining team or no training, just as a visiting training team. Supporters and oh, team no one will say,
only players who don't create training or clubs are clubs and farm bounty.
Might be a boy to
Kotokonya wrong.
Wrong, almost participate some
Captain.
Obani. Oh, sir, assemble audience was the approach to assemble. I'm with Benjamin. Oh,
11 wonders.
Something that needs to be addressed. I don't know maybe say so be the Premier League club no. is there amount to be a ode to if you know say ekobase oko into bankruptcy says cano you be release any players now. I think
well, you know, for us it's just another game. I have to be very frank. You know, it's also 3 points, but I believe that Kotoko is a very good team, especially when you look at their current form. They haven't lost any league match, and for me, that is what makes the whole encounter quite interesting. Not just because they are Kotoko, but I'm looking at their current form. Like you rightly said, history is over. It is history. It's nice to talk about history, but I think much more about the present and the future because the team dynamics have changed. Situations in the past where they scored us and we scored them, or when we drew, have changed. So I'm looking much more at their current form and how Samatex' current form is. And I believe that tomorrow definitely is going to be a good match, especially when we are playing home with our fans behind us. You know, there are also a lot of Kotoko fans here. So I believe that is going to be a very good match. But absolutely, it starts with the players' mindset. You know, the players are quite motivated. You know, they want to make definitely the Central Arena a stronghold or a fortress. And more importantly, is our supporters. You know, they are also bent on making sure that at least we don't lose a game here. And then definitely the coach is also motivated by personal record to make sure that he also doesn't lose a game. I'm not saying that we're not going to lose a game here, but at least it would be good to stop Kotoko or to test them. Probably not to stop them, but we have to test them to see their resilience. They've played a lot of good teams. Fortunately, unfortunately, for both sides, they have not been able to win. And most of their games have ended in a draw. Some they have won. They have really a good team, I have to be very frank. And for us, as Samatex Football Club, we just want to test how good our boys are, especially Koto coming from Africa. And they have very good technical team, good managerial staff, and good players. And we will want to test our strength tomorrow. And I just pray that my boys will be focused and complacency will not set in because they are playing home. I love to watch such high-profile matches. So I believe that Samatex will carry the day.
Say good to say Bambra. Jamai. Mate. Jamai, Kakrewi. Last minute na decided to make one I'll convince me. Jamai and that meaning you could do Kunimana and I'm buyer from Chairman K5, Chairman Les, and I will advise Chairman the whole of Asante region. Circus, no. As a city woman, as a man who be Samana Boyana. I win. Hey, I'm beating it to us one day. Hey, Chairman, what's it? On today, season of a year. Chairman, minimum, I will catch the fans are on to me copy. Na just say, more corner, then I'm catch the woman. Say, then I'm fan town, or then I'm sir. Other traveling silks, vampire. Mate, Chairman, I do say, I don't know, Chairman, that's a part because I don't go for the Musao. When I didn't was through a back of the matches are happy birthday to you. Nagopo nsha onya okese. Jumano oh yeah. The new can run. Odo mo nsha man, no man show me. Mo nsha me from the birthday. Na birthday ni nya de. But we be obey chemistry be obey be the man.
We need your son of a
So
we need a view.
you bet me answer so.
Ah, only problem. They never knew Quadia. I would have did.
Atane ye ko Samara boy. Ye wini back or almost wini back or back wire draw. Ye ko 4th time. Minim and as me buy no. Money my serious and then couldn't be a banner.
Was her the place now was against a piano, made difficult match.
Yeah.
It's me managing our point.
Okay.
Apostles. So to go into this match, you're going all out. Never lose
So and then go.
All right. It's no Senate and officially. Wow, se siameno kasa Asante Kotoko lineup. And so it's him out of him. Yes. After say coach FN say Abdulkarim Zito any place no. It's me share official wa communicate ya mo starting inside and so it can be live se see. Ya ba sin konye de ho nsem e de goalkeeper ye FN say Aziz Haruna Dari to go post. Yes. Aziz Haruna Dari to go post. Afei obenya abranche efe se Samba Onel, Joseph Abro, Patrick Esiedu, ana afei abranche a je fe se eye Lord Amwa ewo chiro Hubejo, Baba Yaya, ana afei Hilary Lord Adabo. Na afei wonya abranche efe se Morfin Dozu, Kwame Poku, and abranche efe se Peter Amidu Akwentway, and official Asante Kotoko lineup and also etimi atofema. You don't someone at the a big game and an out of him. Our summer boy, ye hear some Kumidiano, and so a bet him Ire, and so at him Aya Juma, and I don't some at Miraventiansha, sending a mare, and so a bessa conte Tofemano, and I dare Bremono. Yes. I don't and cancel cry, and cancel cry, said Eba. What I say, answer Nessie, 80 way a confirm lineup. Coach a fan say Abdulkarim Zito et Masalatia. You don't summon at to Jadamana Fay. Monson and summon and sit after I give it by the way, but not for the review, and so at me at the above sumo.